Good morning, all. My dear student, good morning, all. And today I am teaching in the DSS online classes, and I myself represent as English teacher. Student, I have taken just before teaching matter present continuous. I have taught affirmative sentence of present continuous, and today the remaining part of present continuous tense related to negative sentence and interrogative sentence. First of all, we should try to know about the rule or formation of sentences, negative sentences in the present continuous tense. So, first of all, I will study the rule. The rule is given on the blackboard. Look towards the blackboard. Active voice or affirmative sentence or negative sentence, any sentence. Active voice rule. First of all, in the negative sentence, I write subject. I write subject plus helping verbs is, am, are. We choose helping verbs according to the subject. If subject is singular number, then I will choose it. If the subject is I, then I will choose am. If the subject is plural number, then I will choose are. It is negative sentence, so I will mention not in the sentence. Plus fourth form of verb or first form of verb plus ing plus object. It is the rule. It is the rule of formation negative sentences under present continuous tense. First of all, I will write here subject, then after I will write helping verb related to this subject. Is, oblique, and, oblique, are. It is negative sentence, so I will use not just after helping verbs in the sentence, and then after I will write the related form of verb. In this tense, I will write first form of verb plus ing and then after object. Now, we will try to understand it with the help of taking an example. So, I have taken example of sentence. First, I choose subject they. They is treated as or taken as plural number subject. So, I will use as a helping verb are because it express plural number subject. So, they are according to rule. Be used not just after helping verb and plus first form of verb plus ing plus object class. Now, with the help of this example, it is completely clear. It is completely clear how I will form the sentence related to present continuous tense under negative sentence. With the help of this rule, and also by taking this example. Now I think you must be clear and also understand very well. Now I will go and I will go active voice to passive voice. First of all, we will try again about the rule, about the formation of passive voice rule. Then be careful towards this is very important line of this topic. So first of all, according to rule, first of all, I write here subjective case of object. Object, the class. It is in both situations, must be same. The class as object, the class as the subjective case of object, the class. And then after, I will write helping verbs. Helping verbs is AMR according to subject. The subject, the class must be plural, so I will take helping verb are because it is used to show plural number subjects. Plus it is negative sentence, so I will write here not just after helping verb. And in the formation of passive voice, in any continuous tense, be use being. So, not being plus third form of verb plus by plus objective case of subject. So, need to go subject at the place of subject of active voice. The subject of active voice is they. And the objective case of they is them. So I will write here them. Now it is clear. And then after I will go to the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, a sentence in which we ask question. You know that this type of sentence is known as interrogative sentence. So we will also try to form an interrogative sentence under present continuous tense. First of all, we will study the rule. First of all, in interrogative sentences are two types. First, yes/no type. Yes/no type of interrogative sentences always start with the helping verbs. And WH or what type of interrogative sentence always starts with interrogative word. I have taken example. Interrogative means what type of sentence, and so I am giving the rule of WH type of interrogative sentence. First of all, QW. First of all, I have taken QW. QW means question word plus helping verb related to subject. Helping verb related to subject plus first form of verb plus ing for given, and it is always used in continuous plus object plus interrogative symbol. Now we will go to the formation of sentence. We will take example about the formation of sentence based on interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Then first I have taken why. Why is a question word, and I have taken subject you, so I will use helping verb are. Why are you plucking? According to rule of continuous, we use first form of verb plus ing. Why are you plucking these flowers? These flowers are, these two words are placed at the place of object plus symbol of interrogative. Question word why, helping verb or subject you, verb first form plus ing, plucking, object, these flowers, interrogative symbol. After this, when I will change active into passive voice, when I will change active into passive voice, then we need to study about the rules, formation of, or to convert active voice sentence into passive voice sentence under present continuous tense and also under interrogative sentence. So, need to study about the rules. Look clearly the rules. First of all, I will write here question word. Question word why? Why? Plus helping verb. The subject is you. So I will write here are. Sorry, are. Because these subject, these flowers are used at the place of subject and it is in plural. So I will take helping verb are. Why are these flowers? And in the formation of passive voice of present continuous, be used